Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, and today we're going to make one of the most important aspects of adulting a whole lot easier: budgeting and financial planning. But we're not going to do it the old-fashioned way. No more spreadsheets, no more complicated calculations. Today, we're diving into how you can use money management apps to simplify everything. Budgeting isn't just about pinching pennies, it's about making your money work for you. And the good news? There are so many apps out there designed to help you track your spending, save more, and plan for the future. And today, I'm going to show you how to get started. Now, I get it. Budgeting can feel overwhelming. You might think, where do I even start? But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps and explore how these apps can make everything easier. Step 1. Track your spending. Step 1 is to track your spending. This is crucial because you can't plan for the future if you don't know where your money is going right now. Apps like Mint and You Need a Budget, YNAB, connect to your bank accounts and automatically categorize your expenses so you get a clear picture of where every dollar is going. These apps will show you exactly how much you're spending on categories like food, entertainment, and bills. Plus, they send notifications to keep you on track. I personally love how Mint allows you to set custom budgets for each category and lets you know when you're getting close to your limit. Step 2. Create a budget that works for you. Step 2. Creating a budget that works for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Whether you prefer the 50-30-20 rule, 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings, or a more detailed breakdown, budgeting apps like PocketGuard and Good Budget allow you to customize your categories. These apps give you the flexibility to track your income, set limits for each category, and automatically adjust based on your spending habits. With PocketGuard, for example, it shows you how much spending money you have left after your bills and goals are accounted for. Step 3. Plan for the future. Step 3 is planning for the future. Budgeting isn't just about today. It's about setting yourself up for success tomorrow. Financial planning apps like Qapital and Simple allow you to create savings goals for things like vacations, emergencies, or even retirement. These apps make it super easy to save automatically. You can set up rules like rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and saving the change, or setting aside a specific amount each week. By automating your savings, you're less likely to forget or make excuses. Plus, seeing your savings grow over time is incredibly motivating. Okay, bonus tip. Take advantage of rewards and cashback offers. Apps like Rakuten and Dosh let you earn cashback on everyday purchases. It's like getting paid to shop. Even if it's just a few dollars here and there, it adds up over time. So, there you have it. Simplifying budgeting and financial planning with these money management apps doesn't have to be complicated. Start by tracking your spending, create a budget that works for you, and plan for your future. These apps will do a lot of the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on what really matters, achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and drop a comment below letting me know which app you're excited to try. Until next time, take control of your finances and keep crushing your goals.